See example C program on following operations with functions. So function without parameter, function with parameter, function without return value, and function with return value. Function with return value. Okay, guys. So let me here I'm going to create one program. So Alt F source file. I'm going to give the file name as a. So let me save this file. So hash include. So hash include, let me include the header files. So to perform standard input output.h. So guys, why I'm including this standard input output header file? Because I'm going to work with the printf and scanf predefined functions. So I need to tell to the preprocessor directives, preprocessor by using directive hash to include standard input output header file. So my program execution starts from main. Okay, my program execution starts from main. So here is my int main, opening closing curly. So my function return type, main function return type is integer. My main function return type is integer. So what should I do here? Let me return the value. Let me stop my program normally. So that's what, return 0 and hold the screen until I won't enter any characters. So get the character, get ch, get character. Okay guys, fine. Now here, to perform these operations, I'm going to use here arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. What are the arithmetic operations, guys? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, fine. First, मी तुम्हाला काय म्हणलं होतं guys, which what I said, function without parameter means function don't take any parameter. Function don't take any parameter. So guys, so here, what should I do? I need to create one function. First of all, I need to create a function. Function don't take parameter. Function don't take any parameter. So I'm creating one function. So int function without parameter, and also function without parameter and without return value. Without return value, guys. So let me go to my, where is the dev? So here is my dev. So function don't, I'm giving the function name. What is the function name? I'm using addition. Function don't take any parameter. With parameter काय देतो का? Am I giving any parameters? No parameters. Okay. And function don't return any value. Function don't return any value. So function body must be in opening and closing curly brace. So I'm defining a function. So this is function definition. Function definition. So this is my function definition. So define the function. Function definition for whom, boss? I'm defining the function without parameter and without return value. Without parameter and without return value. So here addition is the function. So function do not return any value. Function do not return any value. So what should I do? I will ask to the user. I will ask to the user, enter a number. Okay. So I am in addition function. Addition function. So slash n. Slash n. Okay. Fine, guys. So I reach at addition function slash n. So I will ask the user to printf. Okay. Enter first number. Enter first number slash n. Okay, semicolon. So user will enter a number. So I'm using int a. Okay. So fine. So here is scanf. So I want to read a number. So what is the format specifier? %d, and I need to hold into that variable. So I need to use the address. So %a. Similarly, I will ask to the user, please enter second number. Please enter second number. So here is %b. So I need to create one more variable whose name is b. Right? Now I want to perform the addition. So guys, here instead of addition, let me use here float. You can enter. So guys, you can go for float also. You may enter float value also. So here, let me keep here float result, res. Okay. So res initialize with the a arithmetic operator b semicolon, and let me show the result here. Printf addition of %d comma %d is is %d, not %d, I have to use %f, comma a comma b comma, so here res, result, right? Just look at the example. What is my intention is to show function without parameter. Did I pass any parameter in addition? Guys, please respond. Did I pass any parameter here? Yes or no? Did I pass any parameter? No, no parameter. So again, without return value, I am not returning value. मी तर काय लिहिले का इथे return इथे मी लिहिले का काही? Did I return anything? No, I am not returning anything. Return is empty, return blank. Either you write this statement or don't write. Return is there, but return blank, right? Return blank. Okay, so I am commenting. No need. I am not writing here any return statements. I'm not writing any return statements. If the function does not return any value, so we need to mention the data type, that is void. That is void. Nothing means void. Function is not returning any value. So here is my printf. So why I'm calling printf? So give the information message. Function is calling now. So I am in start of main function. Start of main function, right? And I'll use here. So here is my end of main function. Okay, so here is end of main function. Why I'm giving this message? To give the confirmation, to give the clarity that how the flow of execution is going on. Okay, so addition of %d, and here let me add one message. So here is /n. Okay, fine, and cursor will move to next new line. So let me use here printf, and here printf. Here instead of this start of end of addition function. Okay guys, end of addition function, to understand the flow of execution. So here I define my function. Here I have defined my function. Agree? Addition. Now function definition. Until unless I won't call that function, this function will not be invoked, or this function will not be called. So guys, first let us see. I will save this program. So I will create one folder, go back. So day 4. So here function example, func example. Okay, so let me save by using C, saved, Control F, saved, Control F9, done, compile, Control F10. Guys, you can see the output. So properties, let me change the, actually I need to keep here for your visibility, properties, and change the font, suppose 28. Visible to all? I hope this is visible to all. Guys, you can see the output here. So start of main function and end of main function. Only start of control comes in, control searches for main started execution, and control comes here. What is the first statement? Start of main function, and control again comes here, end of main function. But control does not goes to addition function. Did function called addition function? No, function did not call addition function. Why? My main function did not call to addition function. Why? का बर call नहीं केलं? Why? Because I haven't called from main. I haven't wrote a statement to call a function. So what I should do to call that addition function? मला काय करावं लागेल त्या फंक्शनला कॉल करण्यासाठी? What I should do? I need to write a statement. What is the statement? So here call the function. Call the addition function. How do I call the addition function? I need to write the function name. So here is addition. Here is addition. Copy this statement as it is. Copy and go here. Okay, addition. And every statement ends with a semicolon. So here I call. This function don't take any parameter. So here I am not passing any parameter. Okay. This function do not return any value. I am not holding any value. Right. Now see one more. I have saved the program. I need to recompile because I did modification. Compilation successful. I need to rerun. Now you can see the output, guys. Just start of main function. Start of main function called, showing output. Right. Now again control goes to, from addition this goes to this definition addition. Control reaches here. Control reach here to 3 variable memory allocated. Now showing I am in addition function. I am in addition function, and also it is showing enter the first number. It is waiting me to enter the first number, right guys? Can you see here? Control comes here in addition function. Now I need to enter the numbers. I enter 10. Okay, this line gets executed scanf when I hit enter. Then next, after now reading the value, this value has been read. Now next, enter second number. I need to enter second value. The second value has been read by scan ampersand b read. The next addition will be calculated once when I hit the enter. Then addition of %d, %d, %f will be displayed here, and your program will stop. You can see here, guys. You can see here addition of 10, 20 is 30, and end of addition displaying, guys. Can you see here? Can you see? Yes or no? End of addition function. Please respond all 60 student. Please respond all 60 student, guys. Please respond. No matter. Again, we are running 10 minutes of time. Now addition of 10 on 20 is 30. So addition of 10 and 20 is 30. End of addition. Again control काय झाला? Control comes from here to control go back again here. Control function executed addition successfully. If you use %d, suppose if I pass here 10.23 and 10.32 instead of using integer, float. Okay, now let me change the case. Float here %f, here also %f, ampersand, sorry guys, here %b, here %f. What should I do here, guys? %f, and here also %f. I don't know whose query is because I don't know his name. So for this case, %f, now control F9. Sorry, first of all, let me stop this execution. Control F9. Save the program. Control F9. Control F10. Now I can enter 22.22. I can enter 33.33. You can see here, guys. You can see the output. To work with the float. Okay. I don't know who called that question, but yes, you can use. Okay. Fine. This is the example function definition. Function without parameter and without return value. Okay. Fine, guys. Now we shall see next step. What is the next? Function with a parameter and without return value. We shall see now. Okay. This is second operation we shall see now. Okay, guys. Actually, I need to stop this meeting because we are having only 5 minutes of time in your hand. So what should I do? Shall we stop and shall we continue to avoid interruption? Please respond. If I continue, then after 5 minutes again need to restart again. Then point will be break. The point, this current point will break again. This point. Better to stop again, continue this point and then we'll finish. Okay. So rejoin again. Where is the pop-up? Stop here.